Of course I know! And all you children out there know about it, right? Nasty stuff, I must say. So, what I want you to do is, whenever I say Avada Kedavra, say, hey, Mom. No, not that. That was the last one. So, just scream like you're dying, okay? Alright, hit it, Pete! They call me the Dark Lord Voldemort. I'm a sucker for evil of any souls. As long as I get to set my foes away. And boy, I love this magic spell. I can send my enemies straight to hell. It's such a blast, I do it every day. Okay, Avada Kedavra! Rolls off the tongue. Avada Kedavra! Avada Kedavra! Avada Kedavra! Killing people's never been this much fun. Check this out. Hey, what do you know? It actually worked. Huh? How do you do that?
What? Are you killing my students?
No, you did this.
What? I'm so sorry. I'm afraid I'm going to have to go do some soul searching. I don't usually kill people.
Soul searching?
Why? What is that mysterious Phenomena. The beauty of the softly simmering cauldron with its shimmering fumes, the delicate power of liquids that creep through human veins, bewitching phenomena. Phenomena.